Good morning, guys. Oh man, what happened to my chart?
What happened?
Um, good morning, guys. Just a second. Why is my chart not showing? That's crazy. All right, there we go. There we go. There we go. All right. Good morning, Tony Gold. Good morning, the also is real. Good morning, BDN. Good morning, Brian. All right. So we got GBP news in the next 22 minutes. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen with that. So uh, because of the news, we're gonna be focusing on GJ and maybe GU just to see if we can take any trades. Uh, Man, New York session killed my ass yesterday. Um, but then Asian session tried to play me. Asian session tried to play me, but ended up having two wins and one loss, which is this freaking EJ. Just this freaking EJ. Anyways, let's see what GJ is gonna do here. Oh, I'm actually still in EJ. Um, UJ took me out. Only was able to secure 13 pips from UJ. CJ decided she was only gonna give me 10 pips, uh, which is okay, not tripping. EJ is in this range. Anyways, let's see what we got here. Yeah, I got faked out, OG Fat Boy Slip. Yeah, I got faked out. I took a sell and then lost and I just freaking went back to sleep. Actually saw the buys afterwards, but I didn't want to take it. I already had two losses. There's no, any trades I take after that would have been revenge trading. So, anyways, uh okay. So looking at GJ here, we don't know what the outcome of the news is gonna be. Um, we just got to wait and see. But buys above 162 600. Um, you could sell below this support if you break out of this range, and you could also sell below 162 100. 162 below 162 100 is actually much better because then you got this clean traffic coming to the downside here. But if you have a nice entry below this support here, you have about 15 to 20 pip range back to this support here, back to this range. And if you do take a sell below 162 100, and you have all this move down here that you could actually catch. You have about 70 to 80 pip range here. So I do not know what result we're gonna get with this news, what's gonna happen. So we just gotta wait and see. We just gotta wait and see. We just gotta wait and see. Uh, how say you've been lucky doing CJ? So CJ is actually, it moves better during New York and Asian session. It moves better. It moves during London as well, but just once in a blue moon. Yes, Daniel. Yeah, OG5 Boy Slim. We might drop. So let's look at GU. Looking at GU, previously we got support here, support here. Now price broke support, came down, pulled back, rejected this previous support, created a resistance right here. Now, if we do break this resistance here, it's only because now we're trying to break the highs. We're trying to break the most recent high, which was right here at 1.21968. That's what we're trying to do. Now, if we do break it, it's only right for GU to continue pushing up. But then we also have news. So, um, we just gotta wait and see the outcome of the news here. So, it go buys above 1.22 400, 1.22 500. So, who knows? Maybe not. Maybe nothing is gonna happen. Just like PPI today, nothing major happened today. I mean, yesterday though in New York, PPI didn't really do nothing at all. So maybe GBP will do the same thing. All right. You got 25 on deep. Yeah, I only got 10 on CJ. I mean, with the VIP, we only got 10. Um, if EJ should break below this low, then obviously we possibly gonna come down. Now the question is, are we gonna break this support at 137, 200, 137, 100, preferably below, preferably below 137, 100 to take sales. So right now my EJ stop loss is actually right here. Um, we was actually in profit on EJ for like 5 pips and then freaking pull back now. So, but we're still in this range. So, and this candle could actually flip, and GBP might actually affect. It could actually if, have an effect on EJ. So, two. Mm-mm. All right. So let's go back to GJ. We got 12 minutes. 12 minutes. But GG just does look messy though. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Just look at this thing. It's not clean at all. Yes, yes, Snack HD, yeah, trying to trade GBP. Yes, even if it continues in that same direction, it's gonna correct after a while. except for this was CPI right here. It really did come down, but then we had this pullback, corrected what it was going to do right here, because if not, this candle should have went up and filled up this gap up until at least 163,400, but then we had a pullback and then price started dropping. So title, GBP, maybe GG or GU, because we have GDP uh, news coming up in the next 9 minutes. We're gonna wait for the craziness to be over, and then we'll see if price is gonna continue in that direction. That's when we're gonna get in. Because if we say, okay, you know what, let's have buy stop above 162,700, price might go up, activate all the buy stops, and then freaking flip and start dropping. You just never know. For example, just like this right here, activated people's buy stops and freaking dropped. Let me see if there's another example. This is even worse. This right here is even worse. Went up, activated people's buy stops, and boom, dropped. So for me, I would rather wait for all the craziness to be over and then see if price is going to continue in that direction. Or I just won't trade news at all. Good morning, Yvonne. Good morning, Florine. You got 6 minutes. Self-made, I'm in the United States. Even though you could take sales below 162,400 and probably get away with it, we have this range. That's why for me, sales below 162,100 will be what I'll be looking at. And then you have, some kind of, clean traffic coming down back to this support here at 161,300, or maybe even to, let's see here, to 161,419. I mean, there's nothing wrong with projection, but you have to wait, be patient, and see what the market is gonna do. We as traders, we react to whatever the market does. We react to it. There's nothing wrong in projecting or anticipating that. Oh, you know what? I think we're gonna go bullish. But if we do not go bullish, then just react to what the market is doing. Because the market is always gonna do whatever it wants to do. It doesn't care about you. It doesn't care if you're the freaking president's son or president daughter. It doesn't care. It's gonna do whatever it wants to do. So you just react to it. That's it. Yeah, we got clean traffic and GU coming to the downside. Three more minutes. You guys ready to see what's gonna happen? 'We're breaking the lows over here. GU is waiting. See how this candle do. Remember, this was a previous bullish candle. Now is currently rejecting support on resistance. No, we're creating another resistance right there. So if it breaks above, should be a good buy. Yes, Anton, GBP news is incoming. King Shots, you think GBP is gonna fall? Yeah, Anton, CJ is really not a London session pair, so it does not really move during London. It has more volume during Asian and New York session. Sometimes it does move during London, but most of the time it does not, because it really doesn't have anything to do with London. Yeah, The bias I actually have on GU is I'm short on GU as well. But then again, we have GBP news, so anything can happen. Nobody knows. But without the news, I'm definitely short on GU. Mm. Here we go. 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 Let's see. Are we gonna flip? If we flip, I'm taking the sell. If we flip bearish, I am jumping in a sell. Let's see what happens. Let's see. I'm gonna take GU. And I just hope I'll have more time here to send this thing to freaking okay. What the hell? Why is it not moving? Is trading view tripping? Okay, now it's moving. What was the result of the news? Oh, we should push up here. Nope, not right now. I'm not taking anything at the moment. I'm not taking anything at the moment. Still waiting. But if this candle flips bearish and breaks below this support, I'm gonna jump in. And if this candle decides to continue, I'm gonna wait for it to close before I take any positions at all. But the result of this news, I don't think is gonna flip bearish though. We shall see. Come on, EJ, push up, push up, push up. Make me some money, baby. Come on, EJ, make me some money. Um, All right, what are you trying to do, GU? Ah, really, Oluwakemi. Yes, I was muted and money online. Oh, actually, Milan, I haven't smoked weed in a while, so I haven't been smoking weed in it for a while now. Ah, you used to think Monday was the worst day to trade, but then you saw Friday. Yeah, Friday is the worst. But we'll see what happens with today. Do I also trade SMC, smart money concept? Nope. Look, I always say this, and I'm gonna say it again. If your strategy is giving you at least 60% win rate, you're good. You don't need nothing else. Whether it's SMC, whether it's other block, whether it's breakouts, whether it's break and retest or supply and demand. If he's giving you at least 60% win rate, you're doing good. No more, no less. You a good trader. 60% win rate, you're a good trader. Yep, Snipe FX. Yep, that's why we're looking at GU and GJ as well. With good volume, if you break these highs on the 1 hour time frame, with this clean traffic to the left, you're looking at this on the 1 hour, we should at least get back to 163 400 at least. Uh, which should be about uh, 60 to 70 pips. You know. But if price wants to act funny, then it might reject at this support, and you're looking at about just 30 pips. So since we have GBP news today, maybe right when London opened, maybe we're gonna see a very good volume with GBP. Man, I don't know crypto channel. I mean, I don't know any trader with a 30% win rate. I mean, actually, I have not seen it, so I don't know. But 30% win rate, that's not profitable. OG Fat Boy Slim, man, stop cracking me up, man. This is a boring news event. Yeah, I'm bullish on GBP right now because of the result of the news. So we'll see. It's positive. It's positive, Kuma. Yeah, recently the volume has been coming in during pre-New York. Yeah, the two London session trades that I took with the VIP without you guys on stream during London, those two trades were during pre-New York. GU yesterday, I was anticipating buys, but I didn't take buys. I took sales instead with the VIP. We got about 18 pips before we got stopped out. And then I think on was it Wednesday? Immediately after I ended the stream, we took sales on EJ for New York. So, but we'll see what happens today, though. We'll see what happens. But this news event is boring, though. I agree with OG Fatboy Slim. The news event is boring. It's definitely nothing compared to what's that news event? I don't know, was this it right here? No, not four. I think it was this one. Um, yeah, nothing compared to the CPI. But there's another news event on GBP that I'm actually looking for. This was CPI. Um, yep, right here. Nothing compared to this. This was on August 4. August 4. That was last week Thursday. Last week Thursday, pre New York. I was expecting something the, the same or at least something similar, but nothing is happening right now. So that's that. Da, da, da. Now on looking at GU, we just need a breakout above this range, above or below this range, and then we look for our entries. So that's all we're waiting for. That's all we're waiting for. No good for me. I'm not really looking at AJ today because oh okay, maybe I'll okay. It looks better above 94,900. Yeah, but I wasn't looking to take EJ at all when it was in this range. But the traffic here to the left looks better. It's nothing compared to this traffic right here. So, uh, so if AJ breaks out this range, then should be good buys. Let's do that real quick. All right. Yeah. So this was the same thing that happened this morning with the yesterday morning. I mean, with the PPI news yesterday. Nothing major happened. So that's the same thing that's going on here with GBP. So I don't think anything is gonna happen here. Nothing major is gonna happen. Doesn't look like it. It looks like it's just gonna be a normal, regular trading day. Good morning, Andre. Because if we was gonna see anything major, it would have happened. It would have happened already. Yo, it was big. What's up? How you doing? We don't know yet, Victor. We're still waiting for our setups. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna trade New York today. Yep, same here, Roosberg. I was expecting bigger moves from the GBP news, but that didn't happen. So looks like it's just gonna be a regular normal trading day. I don't understand what you mean by you can trade anytime zone. I don't understand what you mean by that. Well, we still got about 37 minutes for London session to open, so maybe we'll see some volume there. Nope, it's not moving pretty good at all. It's not moving pretty good at all. So the thing with GJ though, give me a second here, guys. Um, so the thing with GJ now, if you break above 162,600, you also have where's that arrow? Mm, do I have it on here? Okay, I think I do. You also have this zone right there. But if we're talking about Asian highs and Asian lows, it's this range right here. This is our Asian highs and Asian lows, and previously we have New York highs of yesterday, no, 2 days ago, right here. So you gotta watch out for these previous highs as well. And if we do break, let's say you take a buy from around 162, 660, uh, not even 10 pips. But I strongly believe if we do break above these Asian highs, we should continue pushing up. Plus, the news was actually good for GBP, so we absolutely should continue pushing up. So we'll see. We shall see. Um, if you look at GU here, so we get an inner trend line which was previously like this. We've broken that, but now we got this outer trend line, and we're kind of respecting that. So we could potentially continue bullish here on GU. Plus, we get positive result for GBP. So we could see GU pushing up here as well. The issue is it gonna become, is it gonna get stronger than the dollar? Because the dollar was stronger, that's why GU was falling. If you do take, man, this is there's no way to put stop losses right now, so um, yeah, I'm gonna wait it out on GJ. I'm gonna wait it out on GJ. I don't have where to put my stop loss right now. So For that reason, yeah, because your stop loss is supposed to be, if you're taking buy position, your stop loss is supposed to be at the previous candle low. And right now, looking at this on the 15-minute, previous candle low is all the way down here. You're looking at about 27, you're looking at about 25 pips here. In cases like this, all you have to do, if you want to take an entry like this, all you have to do is to minimize your lot size if you're trading on your own. That's all you have to do. And if this candle gets all the way up to this 30 pips, you're looking at what? 1-to-1 risk to reward. So I'm not in. I'm not in at all. But what I just did right here, right now, is to use the previous 15-minute candle low, previous 15-minute candle low right here. So if we take this, minimize your lot size. Actually, I thought I got out of CJ, but I did not. Just, all right. Who is in? Who is in GJ? Anyone? Remember what I said. If you take this, minimize your lot size. All right. if you took this GJ, I hope you guys lowered your lot size. Because of this previous New York highs right here, what we did here is we just broke above the Asian high, and the only reason why I'm also confident that it should continue pushing up is because of the positive news we had with GBP. And then also we got like 20 minutes before London session opens. Stop loss is about 25 pips below the previous candle low, candle wick on the 15 minute. Um, yes, Jacqueline, I recommended GJ buys and to make sure you lower your lot size. Cut it in half. Cut it in half at least. Cut it in half. If your regular lot size is 0.10, use 0.05. Cut it in half. Um, is that your regular lot size, Mozart? Yes, I'm already in, but I lowered my lot size. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick and I'll be right back.
started around my city. You should come right with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip water like a fish, sip box water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world a makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess, how can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been, could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate, we need change now. We need solar, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it change cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green. New car goes zoom, but it's quiet. You can hear me come and think I'm lying.
How you say you'll be very surprised if TPs is smashed. The new sun structure lineup.
I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. Green, we going green.
If this 15-minute flips bullish before it closes, that should drive us up. If we can close bullish above this most recent high, and then London opens bullish, that could drive it up. GU trying to break.
Sounds familiar. Yeah. Used to run through the money, now I'm too old. Man, I'm just playing. Shot when I land. Promoter picked the 6 flights, got the team right. I just told Mr. Band, came in for the bands. Beachside Villa for static just because, and I don't even like the sand. Stan Smith sneakers on the beach, that's the water. I just came in for the tan. This was always planned, you wouldn't understand. I could turn a Chevy to a Cullinan. I could turn a Rolls to an AP. I came from Sorry Sir to come again. I came from 2 screens to HD.
You think he's heading to retest the 1 hour zone?
Go on, tell 'em why you mad for. No new friends, I couldn't catch a win until I cut off the loose ends. Used to whip the under in the trunk of that 210s. Just like that too. Out the speakers was max B. Couldn't say a thing about the way if you asked me. Never caught the chain, I was always trying to gain green. Ride around with my sexy love in the passenger seat. Tell 'em why you mad for. Go on, tell 'em why you mad for. Go ahead and just give me a reason not to change on you once I give me a million. I got checks in Hamburg, I might fly out this evening. I got checks in Moscow, I'll be back in a weekend.
Oh, you're looking at a 1 minute, 1 minute.
Cash on the couch is getting kinda boring. Must be talking about kids when you talk driving foreigns. Say I'm lying and I'm telling
You said Houston we might have a problem if 1 hour closes below 162.710. Yeah, I mean with a lowered lot size, and that's what I told everybody to do. The only reason why I took this trade at all in the first place was because of the positive news with GBP. That's the only reason why I took it at all in the first place. If not, I wouldn't be in it. I'll be waiting for London Open. You see where we're currently rejecting right now? New York highs yesterday. No, 2 days ago. That's where we're currently rejecting right now. That's where we're currently rejecting right now. If the 30-minute can close, oh, it did close above it. Yep, it did close above it. Just a tiny, little bitty. It did close above it, but for it to really continue pushing up, it still needs to break above this New York session high 2 days ago. This 2 days ago New York session high. Now this candle could either continue because it has no bottom wick at all, or it could flip bearish and then flip bullish again just to create a bottom wick to continue pushing price up. So and on the 1 hour it could flip bearish, come down, retest this resistance here, and then flip bullish and continue. So we'll see how this plays out. Wow, GU stay rejecting these highs. But for whatever reason, if we come down and tap this minor resistance at 162,480, I'm getting out. And that's gonna be for 15 pips. Give me a second. Let me look at it 15-minute real quick. If we break this 2 days ago New York session high, we're going up. Probably gonna fly to the moon too. Yeah, we've been in GJ. We've got in GJ like 30 minutes ago or so with a lowered lot size. You up 15 pips? Well, if you guys got 10 pips already, just you know what to do. Take partials, move stuff to break even, and hopefully it continues and we get a winner. Oh, you said this one's for the boys.
Ten toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Everything I do for the gang. Ten toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Anything I do for the gang. Took those L's and I took that blame. All money in,
GJ is crazy, I swear.
cool 'cause a day good day on me. Three whips, don't need no raise. I'ma keep it simple in the Chevy I skate. Thank the Lord every time I wait. Lace my shoes and I get to that gate. Heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds. This is all we ever wanted. Down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Ten toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Pedal to the floor, to the engine. Head up in the clouds when I levitate. We don't spit game, we just educate. 10, had a paper straight. Couldn't get it back then, so I had to wait. Now the money come to me, so I don't have to chase. I don't gotta flash none, I don't gotta fake darling. We not practicing, we falling. And heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. And go and stack it by the hundreds. Heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds. This is all we ever wanted. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Ten toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life
You guys should have smashed 10 pips by now.
anything I do for the gang.
How would you feel about Slim is up 20 pips? And none of you got 10 pips already? This thing should be flying to the moon easily. Easily. If any rejection is to happen, I'm only expecting that at this support. But then again, still hasn't broken this New York session high 2 days ago. Still rejecting it. One minute kind of has this trend line on the 1 minute. high, low. Man, I hate the 1 minute time frame.
You my only one, you my one on one, you my only one, you my heart ring. Be my heartbreak, be my one on one, be my only one, you my only love.
None of you got 10 tips before it flipped
Be my one
bearish,
on one, be my only one,
except for
you my
OG
only
Fatboy
love.
Slim.
Message, hear me now, you get the message. Message, who are you texting? It's not me today, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message. Calm you down cause you've been acting reckless. Flood the ring and I bust down the necklace. Doesn't mean a thing, just know I spend it. Doesn't change a thing, just know I spend it on you. Get you Louis if you want it, no, that's nothing, no. You can tell me that it's something, but it's nothing, no. You ignore me, but you're always on that phone. Acting funny, but you tell me that you love me, though. Yeah, yeah, you tell me that you love me, though. Wanna believe it, but I feel it, that it's something wrong. Babe, just tell me what's going on. Be my heartbreak, be my one on one, be my only one, you my only love. Be my heartbreak, be my one on one, be my only one, you my only love. Message, hear me now, you get the message. Message, who are you texting? It's not me then, babe, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message. I was doing me, left you neglected. Now I feel the pain, I feel the tension. Know I did you wrong, it's unexpected. I know I did you wrong, but I still check in on
Um,
you. Now you tell me that you're leaving, but you front.
Maze man, this is like the second or third time you ask that.
When you coming home, stay
You
here,
can
I
close
know
if you
you
want
really
to.
love me though. Yeah, yeah, I really know you love me though. Wanna believe it, but I feel it that it's something wrong.
This right
Babe,
here
just tell
shouldn't be
me what's
happening.
going on. Be my heartbreak, be my one on one, be my only one, you my only love. Be my heartbreak, be my one on one, be my only one, you my only love. Message, hear me now, you get the message. Message, who are you texting? It's not me today, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message.
How you said it's Friday, so no one should be surprised. That was crazy. Positive news for GBP. This thing should be shooting for the moon. You know the crazy part? I was just 2 pips away. 2 pips. 2 pips away from getting at least 10 pips out of this move. 2 pips away. Very funny. The yen is actually weak, but it's actually in a range. Let's look at the yen real quick. Uh, Let's look at the yen real quick. You know what? We'll do this. Actually, gonna add it to my watch list. So look at the yen. Let's delete this. So the yen is trying to break this support here. That's what we see. But it should come down because looking at this on the 4-hour, give me a second here. Looking at this on the 4-hour, we broke previous support here, we broke it here to the right, went back up, we tested it, and now we rejected it, creating a resistance here, and now we're pushing down. Now we want to break this support here. That's what we see. But we're definitely in a downtrend. It's weak. It's not strong until it starts breaking these lower highs. If it breaks this lower high, then it can push up and break this lower high too, which is the main resistance for buys. At that point, yen is officially strong. Uh, nope, Essa, nope. Yo, guys, we got Raja Banks in the house. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the support, brother. You see that man right there? Roger Banks? He doesn't know what I'm about to say, but I'm gonna say it. There's no point. Oh, he didn't mentor me personally, but while I was watching YouTube videos, I've said it a lot of times. For those of you that are, old, that have been watching me for a while, you already know I've said this. He's definitely one of the ones that I was watching. So, even though he didn't mentor me personally, I learned a lot from his videos. So, he's definitely one of the traders that I respect, if not even the only one that I respect. That's the GOAT right there. So, a lot of you absolutely know who Roger Banks is. So, my cam is stuck. What? Oh man, alright, my webcam tripping again. Alright, give me a second, guys. Give me a second here. Uh, alright, let me fix it real quick. Alright, there we go. Alright. Yep, Mr. Raja is the FX GOAT. Yep. Yes, he is. And I actually feel like, at least for me though, it was it was him that inspired me to start live streaming. Because when you're actually live streaming, win or lose, you're actually giving out value. A lot of new traders, they learn from all this live streaming. The ones that want to, some are just there for sure. Um, I'm closing out here, guys. There's no point to hold this straight. I'm closing. Well, I closed out of GJ. Funny enough, I was 2 pips away from smash, from securing 10 pips, and I freaking closed out at 10 pips. Yeah, look at that. All right. Even with the positive news with GBP, he still did whatever he wanted to do. All right. At this point, looking at EJ, sells below 137.077, because if you look here to the left, just look at it. We got resistance here. Price broke it, created a high, came down, we tested the same resistance, we had a push up. But if you look at these candles right over here, this is where I'm going to be looking for my sales. Right here, below 137.077. If EJ closes below that, I'm just gonna take EJ and then call it a day. That's it. So if we do break below this zone here, price should come down back to this support zone here, because if you look here to the left, we got nothing but clean candles here. So we should come down. That's why I'm looking for breaks below 137.077. And if we break below 136.600, we could also come down and then probably reject at 136.300 before we have this liquidity grab though in our New York session. So, but if I take it, I'm just gonna probably get out here. That's for about 40 to 50 pips depending on my entry. And I'll be waiting for 30-minute closures, obviously. So we'll see what happens. King Short said RIP who went long at the top. No, Muhammad, they all do whatever they want to do. All I can tell you is you need to pick 1 to 2 pairs that you really love to trade and you understand how it moves. Maybe three maximum. Three maximum, but not more than three. Now, even though I trade JPY pairs, that's all I trade. My top two are GJ and EJ. Now, I do trade CJ, AJ, UJ, including GU as well, but that doesn't mean I trade all of them at once. I don't do that. Oh, mm. If GJ decides to come back up again, your buys has to be above 160 to 800 at this point. And then you have the support right here that you need to pay attention to as well. Uh, GJ is just, yeah, no GJ for me, except if we drop. Uh, So we took a loss on GJ and got it at negative 10 pips. Mm. All right. So EJ is actually still ranging because if you look at this previous bearish candle, it did not close below, so it's still in the range. EJ is still ranging. Now let's take a look at GJ. So GJ closed back to this range, but that does not mean we're actually gonna drop. It still does not mean we're gonna drop. So I'm gonna just see what EJ is gonna do here. You said, can you have this playlist? Damn, Milan, you in again? Based off the 1 hour? Uh, if UJ breaks these Asian highs, it should be a sweet buy. Man, it should be a sweet buy. Like a delicious one too. We do have his support from the ready. Uh, GG on the 1 hour. Most people will take it on the 1 hour flip. And then stops below this week here. But then you're looking at the 40 pip stop loss. So it's best to see what the lower time frame is going to look like. If this candle closes above these previous Asian highs, then we should continue pushing up at that point.
slide through my teeth. Why? What you get is what you see. Why? New fit, that's neat. Yeah, for the green like a leaf.
The only trade I have running right now with me and the VIP is CJ. We still got CJ running. So I'm just gonna let that run.
Spring, 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 spring. Double cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I get to it up in my sleep.
Yeah, yeah. If you don't yeah, Milan. If you're not waiting for the 1 hour to flip bullish, then you probably could get to 15, 16 pips stop loss. But if you're waiting on the 1 hour to flip, then you're looking at yeah, you're looking at a 40 pip stop loss. All right, let's update the losses we've taken on stream. Um, on Signal 71. Toot, 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 toot. Month of August, 5 losses. Right now, I'm looking at either EJ or UJ, either EUJPY or USDJPY. One of those two pairs, that's what I'm gonna be taking, and I'll be calling it a day after that. All right, looking for a good broker? I definitely do recommend Anchor Trade. Anchor Trade spread starts from zero point 0.0 pips, maximum leverage of 1 to 500, negative balance protection, very good low commissions. And when it comes to trading with Anchor, using Anchor Trade as your broker, they have two different account types that I do recommend. One of them is ECN. If you have less than $1,000, go with ECN. If you have at least $1,000, go with ECN Plus. And with Anchor Trade, you can also apply for a matching deposit bonus. And if you do apply for a matching deposit bonus, make sure your leverage is not more than 1 to 200. So if you're interested in getting started with Anchor Trade, you guys can use my link down below in the description. Now let's see if we can actually make some money on this crazy Friday. You know, sometimes you get in trades like that, and then you'll be so close, like this close to your TP, and price will then reverse and stop you out. That's exactly what GJ did to us this morning. 2 pips away. 2 pips. This is looking good, but I'm gonna wait, see if it's gonna break these lows. Because the previous 30 minute did not close below the below the previous lows, so still gotta wait for closures. Long-term trade idea. If GJ continues to hold and close below 162,800, we could see it drop to 161,500 for a daily high low. Mm. The link to the recommended broker is in the description.
We go forever now. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm much sad. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do
Milan,
better.
you was looking for buys. You shouldn't have got any buys.
Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born in a crate. Then I turned out to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits. Lost my mind, I gotta fix it. Kill the beat, cold killer. Need to change the way I'm living. Never sleeping, I'm tripping. This is forever and ever. We live forever and ever, yeah. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm much sadder. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. Real hustlers don't sleep. Cat naps all week. On a mission for the green. I've been at it since a teen. No pillow talk, no tea. Out the way, keep it cheap. Shawty told me she a freak. Wap, wap, straight heat. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm much sadder. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm much sadder. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better.
If GU breaks below this support, it should come down. Candle closes in 10 minutes. See how this candle closes here on GU. I like this. 1 hour will be closing below. 30-minute will be closing below. thing is dropping hard though.
Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Okay, I'ma hit the 20 off a laptop. In a Zoom meeting, making money is my backdrop. Ballpoint base hit harder than a snapshot. Flew up my baby, told her ride me like I'm Epcot. Whoa, whoa, I've been doing road on the go, go. Get it back and flip it, that's for sure. Yeah, for sure, show. That was never talk about nothing. Turn it down and go get you some money. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter.
Yeah, Trilos, I seen it.
I was on the money, my brothers got my back. Streets moving funny, so I been holding strap. Not playing defense, we been on the attack. Plotting the scheme and how we gon' get it back. Designer all on you when you can buy the swag. No mirrors, those truths, I see the tag. You can bet if I spend in this cause I get it back. I'm fine to the dollar, I see the lag. All I ever wanted was to have it all. Got close, never froze, had to risk it all. As a little boy, I wish I was a little tall. Never made the league, I found out the ways to let it ball. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it.
Alright. Damn, what's wrong with my webcam? Okay, looks like my webcam does not want me to get too close. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to get another webcam because it's tripping.
I don't wanna feel it. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it. Out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more and she hit me, say you quit or she get better. Yeah, yeah. I don't want pain no more. I don't want no more pain. I can go sleep no way. Look at that with no pain. See the rain coming down, but it is not purple today. Came a long way from stacking and rolling that change. And all I ever wanted was some real love. Then I iced it on my heart, I watched it build up. My bro, he stay with Tuesday, about to build up. And I feel wrong inside, don't wanna feel it. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it.
Really?
I
It
know
keeps
it
trying
won't
to
solve my
it keeps
problem,
trying
but I know it
to
makes a
get you in.
difference.
Oh,
One more
that's
sip and
interesting.
I'ma fix it. Out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more and she hit me, say you quit or she dipping. Yeah, let me do my thing. Got them greens and pinks and blues, I'll give my kids a change. Don't call me out shit for none unless you do the same. I want a cat that's fast as that and I don't do no range. Yeah, all I ever wanted was some millions. All I ever wanted was some children. Then I got four of them kids and now we chillin'. Nothing's real inside, don't wanna feel it.
Yep, GU is closing back in the range.
So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it. Out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more and she hit me, say you quit or she dipping.
Mm, simply quick. The hell? Where's my? Do, 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 do. I'm not in yet, guys. Alright, AJ, come down. This is where my entry is gonna be. Yes, Paul. That's why I'm not in yet. I just have everything set. It doesn't have to give me a steep top wick. I don't need it to give me a steep top wick. Entry around 1.21748. Stop loss above this previous above the previous bearish candle. I'm in, guys. I'm in. I'm in GU. I'm in GU. guys. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, and I'll be right back.
I just wanna lie. Yeah. Nah, a little bit, nah. Who did it? Me. I just wanna lie. Lie. I just wanna lie. I just wanna lie. Lie. I just wanna lie. I just wanna lie. Wobble up the spot, no dance, not drunk, cause money in my pants. I just wanna lie. Sip a drink and it got me in a trance. Take the money, baby, I don't wanna dance. I just wanna lie. Got a salary up in my cargo. Push one button, make the car go. Bet I've been a man since top speed. Best kept secret, but it's time I need a spot. I just wanna lie. Lie. I just wanna lie. I just wanna lie. Lie. I just wanna lie. I just wanna lie. I just wanna lie, not a little bit. I don't need a pint, just a little sip. Been up in the mood and it's active. Up with the moon, I'm relaxing. I like nice things, pricey. Whole lot of carrots, my type thing. Whole lot of characters like me. If you only tell me yes, you can be around me. Free from around me, you can be around me. With some B's and some C's, yeah, they be around me. Be around me, don't you stick I just wanna lie. Lie. I just wanna lie. I just wanna lie. Lie. I just wanna lie.
Alright, I'm back, guys. Fatherboy Slim said, fuck FGJ. Fatherboy Slim, you're not loyal. Where's your loyalty? You should be loyal to GJ. Oh man. Hot Dak, I don't think so. You're not gonna be loyal to GJ? We're literally one pip away from 10 pips. One pips away from freaking 10 pips. GJ, we was 2 pips away from securing 10 pips. Now GU with 1 pip away from securing 10 pips. Let's see if he's gonna give it to us before this 30-minute candle closes. If we break this low that price actually created, we should continue pushing down on GU. Yes, I'm Nigerian, but I live in the United States. Fly, you mean it's gonna tank? Not fly, it better not fly, it should tank. It should tank to the pit of hell. Oh, nice. So we're currently still respecting the high here on the five on the, I mean the high, the low here on the 5 minute. I'm gonna mark that so you, for those of you that don't know what I'm talking about. So we're currently still respecting that low. We break it, we're coming down. You said you add another small position once that low breaks. GU really should come down back to this resistance at least. This is the highs his name is talking about hard DAC. But my focus is these candles right here. Oh, they actually is. This could actually hurt it, but it shouldn't. Right here. Plus the dollar is very strong. I mean, Fridays for me, I've made money and I've lost money on Fridays. And I always say this all the time, every Friday. Most of my losses happens on Friday. Most of my losses. Damn, look at EJ. Oh, look at GJ too. Hmm. Actually, still got my CJ running. Well, this candle closes in 1 minute.
You ain't see the front but talking back ends. Oh, I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. Oh my God, 3 cars, 5 jobs, slam door, off the lot. Shorty said she got the web, I just want the rob. Post some money on the snap, that'll get you robbed. Nike, Nike tech, shot, wet. 3 dice bet, head crack flags. This is not a question, I don't ever practice. Never act in, always act in. Back in 2010, we were super activists. Now these beats are taking damage like my Achilles is. Already got the crib, I think it's time to flood my wrist. But gets along her neck, I just iced out my chick. It's not what you know, but what you do with it. I do it the best, don't care if you did it. Stayed down till I came up, now I'm 2 in it. Money in my sleep, I'm a true business. I need a Louis bag,
GJ.
can fit it in my pockets, got me mad at some. Hit attention to a 20, now it's adding up. I'm not bragging, I'm just bagging up. Yeah. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. Swipe, 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 swipe. Swipe, 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 swipe. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Swerving, making plays, Ferrari red. Never out my zone, touchdown in my hands. Only fam around me, I can't have no friends. Had to cut you off, you left me out for dead. Ever since I was a teen, had prices on my head. Had to cut you off, you left me out for dead. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says.
What 1 minute candle on GU?
They do what I do, I'm like Simon says.
Which candle was that?
Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Yeah, ball point on the beat, ball point make 'em dance.
Alright, so we have a double bottom here, looking at it on the 1 minute.
Picked up some bands, tell her ask it questions, why I come and whine.
Hmm.
Wanna run like a runaway, only way is the money way. No chain, no jewelry.
We just need to break this freaking low right now for price to continue pushing down.
Need another watch. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says.
If we break this low here, I'm gonna close half and let the rest run. Yeah, self-made I do. EJ, I was waiting for EJ to break below this, so I didn't take this sell right here. So I didn't take EJ. I took GJ previously. That was a 10p plus, so then I took GU. No bottom wick candle. Do I see buys now on GJ? No, I don't. I don't see no buys. GJ is too messy. Like no buys for me at all right now. I don't see buys. Buy the dip, sell the top. I'm not even gonna respond to your comment. It deserves no response from me. It deserves no response from me. What do you call what I'm doing here? Keep going. Buy the dips at the top. I'm just laughing at your comment at this point. It deserves no response. I'm not even gonna delete it. I'm gonna leave it on there.
I'm trying to touch the states this time. 2021. Yeah, show him I can still rap though. Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the beamer, now I want the bench. Spending all the bag, like here I go again. Outside since church, not a camera phone. Told you I'ma make keep the channel
This
on.
buy the dips at the
Like a nigga
top
when the camera's on.
must be new to trading.
Every day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. I said the kitty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same.
Like freaking, first of all, do you know how many freaking, not even Forex traders, Forex YouTubers are out there that don't even have the courage to freaking do these live streams? Just here talking trash. Anyways, what's DJ doing? If EJ breaks below 137, 100, it should definitely drop. If you're looking for more trades. Right now, I'm just waiting to see what this candle is gonna do. Is this candle gonna retest this support? That's what I'm waiting for.
I like getting money,
Ooh,
anytime
man.
I'm trying to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery, I'm proud of me, yeah. Want a baby proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just from me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage my lungs. Wifey want the drive, she get what she want. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Be for real, 25 they other type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in 8. Know I'm on the go, but I'm not over you. Maybe 5 more, but I'm so close to you. Gotta get
Fat
up,
boy
gotta get
Slim.
close to you.
Really drop it like it's hot.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride.
Mm.
Money come and gone, let's get straight to it. Been a businessman, it's bigger than music. I was on a new building with like 8 units. What's for sale, I might buy it all. Don't wanna put in work, now you just wanna ball. Got Louis bags with no money in them. Bigger the law, the harder they fall. Fast route, for me it's always been a cash route. Back route, spend some money, switch a piece of cash out.
Sometimes I trade New York self-made, sometimes I don't.
On my team and got some pack outs. Went from MIA to LA on the run like I don't got an estate. I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, babe. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, babe. Savior of my city like I'm Luke Cage. This is real life, you ballin' 2K. I was just a young count loose change. Now I got it coming 22 ways.
About a year and a half. That's how long it took me self-made. No, I'm not funded, Vansley. Trade my own capital. I'm not funded. Have I blown any accounts? Yeah, plenty. Plentiful. Plenty. If you're just starting out and you've not blown any accounts, then you've not started. Ah, this dude is crazy. Exaggeration. In this world and times that we live in right now, how many how many people do you think can afford $1,500? How many people? Assumption. That's crazy. Assumption, hating. if you if you're new here and you're new to trading and you're thinking one day once you become profitable you're gonna start your own YouTube channel, be ready for comments like this because you're gonna need to have a very very thick skin. If you don't, it's better for you to just trade on your own. Forget about YouTube. Just trade your own. Make your money low key. Do your thing, and that's it. The fact that you're asking me this, that's how I know you freaking new. That's how I know you new. If you don't know if you can't answer that question yourself, so I don't know what to tell you. I freaking know what to tell you. Oh man, oh man. Enlighten you? I ain't got time. I ain't got time to waste my time. I ain't got time to waste. That's a waste of my time. Mm. Well, I'm just gonna let this thing run. kind of getting sleepy right now, so before I go to bed, I'm gonna just set one of my position to about 15 pips, and then you can just take me out, and I'll let the rest run. No New York session trade for me today. It's Friday. Do not like to trade New York session on Fridays. Where are you, self-made? What state are you in? Are you in the United States, self-made? Oh, you're in the UK. Okay. I'm gonna leave you with this by the tip and set it up. I don't know if you're here in the United States, wherever, say, it doesn't even matter wherever you are. How much do they pay you? How much do you pay to go to college? And they're not teaching you nothing. The main thing that you need, they're not teaching you in college. But yet you pay hundreds of thousands of dollars to go to college to learn nothing. To learn nothing. And look at you complaining about $1,500. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Hundreds of thousands of dollars to go to college to learn nothing. To learn jack. Um, no, Jacqueline. Uh, nope, I'm not taking no more trades today. This GU is my last trade of the day, and that's it. I'm not trading New York session either. Smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go. See the sun shining from the window. I'm already in Benjamin. All I can do is laugh. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking, I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often, I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids. Well, alright guys, we're back in profit. You guys already know what to do. 10 pips, move stops to break even. Make sure you take partials as well. And hopefully you guys get a runner with this GU. So, God bless you all. Hold on, maybe we will get 10 pips before I leave. Maybe we will get 10 pips before I leave. Oh, let's see. Okay, you're still tripping. Alright, 10 pips smashed. Make sure you move stops to break even. Alright. Okay. Well, let me wait. Let's see if we're gonna smash my first TP here. Oh. There, look at me yawning.
Stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day.
So in case if you're wondering why didn't I actually get out of GU or at least close half in negative was because I believe I said it earlier as well. I was waiting to see if this previous bullish candle, because it had no bottom wick, so I was seeing, waiting to see if we're gonna have a rejection at this support zone right here, and that's actually what ended up happening. Uh, Weak rejection at this support here, price creating resistance here for price to continue pushing down. And this bearish candle has no top wick either. Really killed a bit. He said, damn, it was immediately silent. I mean, that's usually how it is. That's usually how it is, man. All right. So if you want to set your first TP, it's gonna be. Let me give you the guys that before I leave. Uh, this is for about depending on your spread, it should be about 20 to 25 pips. I don't know what you guys spread is on GU. Yeah, I actually secured 60% on GU. What the hell? because I know some of you can't see it, especially if you're watching this from your phone, then you won't be able to see it. All right, there you go. All right, guys. I'll see you guys on Monday. We're gonna do this again on Monday, same time, same session, London session. And if you're new here, if you want to join the free Discord, link is down below in the description. Anchor Trade broker link is down below in the description. VIP signals link is also down below in the description. And like I always say, I will see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Make sure you have fun, guys. Life is short. Make sure you have fun, whether with your family, kids, whatever. Just do you. Enjoy your weekend, guys. I'll see you guys on Monday.